In today's video, we will be showing how to produce the perfect cup of French press coffee. Please hit like and subscribe to support the cause, and see more helpful tips regarding cooking, homesteading, and diesel mechanics. When it comes to going toe-to-toe with the French press, one must not be afraid of failure. Using the necessary tools to complete the task, including the press, a grinder, and an adequate way of keeping time, we must first and foremost use the finest fucking coffee beans. We begin by pouring unground coffee beans into the grinder and sealing the grinder. And sealing the grinder. And sealing the grinder. Remember, we want these beans to be ground into the largest fragments the grinder can produce. After pouring the grounds into the press, slowly pour steaming water on the grounds until the appropriate amount of water is added. One must pour the amount that they feel to be right. The timer is synced to the rhythm of the grounds, and begins its slow march to the unavoidable conclusion of uncertainty. We yearn for what we can simply reach out and grasp, often clenching our fleshy fingers at the moment gone. Unable to learn from our apathy, we are bound to repeat our failures, myself being a result, and like myself, reasoning, ebbs and flows, like a tide during a full moon on a rocky beach. Spoiled in our arrogance, we crashed among the jagged rocks, taking what little that is good about us to the frigid depths of our souls, echoed in the arcades of time. I remember a park bench. I was watching the reflections in the pond in front of me. A figure appeared and began its approach. My memory fades into the fabric. What is woven around us? I used to feel. I used to remember. I used to love. Please, Once time is up, we slowly depress the filter down the length of the press, revealing a bitter, slightly citrusy taste with an aroma of cocoa that goes well with almost any breakfast. The perfect cup of French press coffee.